Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Santan Valley local and long-distance movers near me. Do you need a Santan Valley moving company to help with your relocation? 3 Movers is the right team for you. Founded over 20 years ago as a small moving company with just one truck, we've grown into a multi-service business that serves cities all around Arizona. We've helped thousands of customers so far relocate safely and promptly and are always eager to take on a new project or a new challenge. Get in touch with us now if you want to learn more about our services. There's no shortage of moving companies that can help with your long-distance relocation. So, why choose us? Here are a few reasons. We have the skills and equipment. Not only that, our movers and drivers are professionally trained, but we have the equipment to help you move a wide range of items, even pianos or antique furniture. We're licensed and insured. We are licensed to operate across state lines and can transport your belongings anywhere in the U.S. and even internationally. We also offer insurance for all the items our movers handle. Transparent rates. We make sure you explain clearly and from the get-go to our clients how our rates are calculated and what factors can influence their costs. You also don't get any hidden fees when you choose 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Santan Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.